Do you feel a sense of betrayal?
No, I don't feel a sense of betrayal kasi just as I can speak only for myself, yung sarili ko lang kalooban ang pwede kong panghawakan. I respect whatever decision my colleagues, even my closest colleagues will make. And para sa akin, I just keep my eye on the ball, which is patuloy na palakasin yung opposition, di lang sa loob, pero lalo na sa labas ng Senado. And I will continue to apply myself to that task.
Okay. Ang malungkot lang kasi sa Pilipinas, ang oposisyon nagbabago depende who is in power, right? When technically speaking, it should be a political ideology that drives the majority and the opposition. Pero sa Pilipinas, every few years, nagbabago. Sinong popular, yung hindi nakaupo, yun na lang ang oposisyon.